Hello y'all. I wanted to share with you guys today 2 different recipes for making your own laundry detergent. So as most of y'all already know, we are a large family. We have 8 kids, we're a family of 10, and we live on a farm, and we are doing a lot of laundry around here. Everything from bedding to furniture to sometimes animal related things. So I just feel like we do so much laundry. We go through so much laundry detergent. And as I've been working on stocking up our supplies, kind of building ourselves like a nice little home pantry, if you will, to shop from. One of the things that whenever I have to add more of it to the supply, I'm always like, ugh, is laundry detergent and related things. Now, if you watch this channel, if you've seen my favorites videos, you guys know that I love myself a good, just lovely smelling laundry detergent, fabric softener, all of that. So I'm kind of on a mission to make my own and take some of these recipes and make them have that extra boost that I love so much from some of the more expensive laundry products. So I made a liquid version of laundry detergent, and then I also made a powder version. And I did that mostly because I just want to try them both out and see which one I prefer. I used recipes and kind of inspiration from a few different places, Becky's Homestead, as well as a couple of blogs. Sorry, my old lady dog is right here. What's up, honey? She's like, why are you talking? I'm trying to sleep. As well as a few different blogs, and kind of mash some things together to kind of make my own version of some of these recipes. So I think the Becky's Homestead one I did follow to a T. So I will put the recipe and everything down below, but I'll also link back to her since she's the one that I got this recipe and idea from. But it's really nice because it makes a 5-gallon bucket of laundry detergent. It's so easy, you guys, okay? That's the thing, is that as I stumble backwards, trip and fall through this homesteading, hobby farming life, just know that if it comes to something homemade, DIY, if I'm doing it, you can do it, okay? If I can do it, a monkey can do it, all right? As always, if you need links to anything, any of the products that I use in making these recipes, those will be linked down below in the description box so you can check there. All right, let's start with the liquid laundry soap. You're gonna need a bar of Zote, some borax, and some hot water. It's really that simple. The Zote bars, this is a 400-gram bar. Now you can buy them as these solid bars. You can also buy them as flakes, which you will see in the other recipe that we're gonna make. You're going to grate this like with a cheese grater. You're gonna grate it up. It really will make you realize why the flakes are worth it, or a better grater, like one of those hand ones that you just turn. Because after, I don't know, 5 minutes of this, man, my arm was getting sore. So it's a good workout though. My kids kept coming up and asking what this was, because it kind of it looks like a giant piece of taffy, or those Mamba candies. We love those Mamba candies. It looks like a giant version of that. So my kids kept coming up and sniffing it and what is that? I had to tell them, I promise you, it is soap. Do not eat it. They really wanted to, but they resisted. All right, so then you're just going to get all of that into your bucket. Again, probably just grating it directly into the bucket would be easier. And then you're going to add hot, doesn't have to be boiling, but it needs to be hot water. You're going to add 2 gallons of hot water. I'm using quart pitchers. Just don't ask, okay? Just know that you need to do 2 gallons of hot water. Then you're going to stir. Now, I am just using a oversized paint stick stirrer from Home Depot. But if I had been smart and I thought about it and I just was, I guess, too lazy to walk out there, I would just get my drill and use one of the paint stirrers that you put on your drill. That would probably make this go much faster, because it's really important that this get mixed really well and thorough. So you are going to spend a few minutes here, more than a few minutes here, stirring until all of those little soap shavings are dissolved, my children. Once those are all dissolved, I just kind of scooped it up into a measuring cup so I could check it and make sure there was no floaties, that it was really, really dissolved. And then you're going to add your borax. I believe I'm adding 1 cup. Yes, 1 cup of borax powder. There are recipes that use borax or not. It's, kind of preference and up to you, but I decided for this first try, I will just go with it, go with the borax. So you're going to do the same thing and mix that in. Again, that water should still be warm at this point, and mix that in until it dissolves. And then you're just adding in 3 more gallons of hot water. Obviously, you got a 5-gallon bucket here. You did 2 gallons already of hot water. Now you're going to add in the other 3, again, hot water, and then give it another good stir. And I really tried to get this Gamma Seal lid on. I had to call in my husband, I don't know. I guess my arm was tired from all the grating of the soap. But I had to bring in a man to put the lid on for me. It's always disappointing for me personally. That's why I have him around. All right, the next day, you are going to open it up and find that you have a concoction that looks somewhat like the pink goo in Ghostbusters. It looks actually a lot like that. In fact, I bet you that's what that was some kind of soap mixture. Anyways, I digress. The point is now you have to really stir all that up. So you kind of have like a little bit of liquid that's separated from sort of that gel texture. You're just going to stir again until you're just little heart's content to get all of that really blended. Again, probably could have used the paint stirrer, but we did not. I am using these glass jars that I got from Amazon in a 2-pack. They come with pumps. They are like a laundry set. It comes with like the silicone funnel, and then it's got either screw tops or pumps. Now, the cool thing about this recipe is that it's actually a concentrate, if you will. So you're going to fill those half with water and the other half with the soap mixture that we made. So really, you're kind of getting like 10 gallons of soap out of this, of laundry soap out of this, which is pretty awesome. So you're just going to mix it, and then you want to have some kind of lid on the bottle so that you can shake it up before you use it. There will be like a little bit of separation as it sits on the counter, or on top of your washing machine or wherever you keep your laundry soap. And you are going to want to be able to shake it up before you actually go to use it. This set of bottles, along with the pump tops, also comes with these kind of like a little silicone measuring cup so that you can measure out your liquid laundry detergent into those, which is fun, cute. I also have this little glass. It's actually for an espresso shot, but I think it's really cute for the laundry soap as well, just so you can measure out how much. And then it also comes with labels for the front of the bottles, which are just pre-done and pretty. There's a couple of blank ones if you want to just write on it. But the pre-done ones work for me, and they're pretty and cute, and I like them. So I'm going to go ahead and put the detergent label onto this bottle, and then the other one is just going to be the backup, next bottle that I use. I guess I'll have to write on the other label so that it all coordinates, Can't do laundry unless our laundry bottles are coordinating, of course. Listen, it's the little things sometimes, okay? It's the little things. Pretty bottles make doing laundry more fun. Now, if only they folded your laundry for you. All right, let's move on to the powder detergent. This one is pretty darn quick and easy. You just need some Zote Borax washing soda, which is not the same thing as baking soda, so do not get it confused. There's a yellow box of it at Walmart that's Arm & Hammer, but it is washing soda, not baking soda. I got my big thing of it from Amazon, and this time I am using the Zote Flakes. I also wanted to use the white Zote for this recipe to see if there's any difference that I noticed between the pink and the white one. But this recipe is 2 cups of the Zote Flakes, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of borax, and then you just sprinkle on your essential oils. So that's what you're going to see me do here. And then I went back and actually tripled the recipe and made more because, well, I wanted more than what was just in that basic recipe, and I had plenty of room in my airtight jar. Again, you're going to want to store this in an airtight jar. It doesn't have to obviously be glass, you know, whatever you would like, but you just need to have an airtight lid for it. I'm using some really fun essential oils that I got on Amazon. I got a spring set and a summer set. So the spring set has like floral scented oils in it, and the summer one has like pina colada and coconut. And, you know, like I said, I love really good smelling laundry detergent. And I didn't add any kind of additional fragrances or scents to the liquid one, though for the next batch I am going to infuse for my garden. I'm going to take some of my really fragrant roses and do an infusion with those and add that into my liquid detergent for next time. So for now we will have the powder one that will be the summer coconutty one, and then the liquid one will just be kind of a more simple plain detergent. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments if you choose to make either one of these recipes, or maybe you already make your own laundry detergent and you have a really amazing recipe that you'd like to share, or just any advice or information you can offer to us here in the community. We always appreciate it. Leave that down below in the comments, and of course check the description box. I've linked everything. That's it for today's video, you guys, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.